Hello students, good morning. I am Ashok Kumar from Anand International School. I am going to teach grammar. Topic is preposition for a standard 9 CBSE. Prepositions are placed before a noun or pronoun to show their relationship with other nouns or pronouns. In a sentence, preposition tell us whether the words are connected through time, a space and place. Let's take a few examples to understand this part of a speech. For example, I found a pen on the table. Preposition किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन के पोजीशन को, उसकी अवस्था को बताता है कि उस नाउन या प्रोनाउन का सेंटेंस में क्या पोजीशन है. In this sentence you see I found a pen on the table. तो on states here the position of the pen on the table. Here the preposition is on because it shows the relationship between a pen and the table. Other example, I am watching a cricket match in the bedroom. Here the preposition in because it shows the relationship between a cricket match and the bedroom. The noun or pronoun that is used after a preposition is called its object. It is said to be formed by the preposition. A preposition is said to have no fixed meaning of its own. Preposition का कोई अपना meaning fix नहीं होता है. It derives its meaning from the context it has been used with. ये जिसके साथ use किया गया उस context से पता चलता है कि ये preposition किस sense में use किया गया है. There are various kinds of preposition based on their use in a sentence. Kinds of preposition, there are 4 kinds of preposition as mentioned below. Simple preposition. Simple prepositions are used in simple sentences. Example in, on, at, to, from, with, by, of, out, through, till, up. These are the prepositions. These are the examples of simple prepositions, and we have seen I found a pen on the table is the example of this, and other you can use in the sentences. Compound preposition, when we join two nouns, pronouns and phrases in a sentence, we use compound prepositions. जब हम दो नाउन या प्रोनाउन और फ्रेजेस को एक सेंटेंस में ज्वाइन करते हैं, जोड़ते हैं, वैसे प्रीपोजिशन को कंपाउंड प्रीपोजिशन कहा जाता है. कंपाउंड प्रीपोजिशंस आर जनरली फॉर्म्ड बाय प्रीफिक्सिंग अ प्रीपोजिशन टू अ नाउन, एन एडजेक्टिव और एन एडवर्ब. फॉर एग्जांपल, अकॉर्डिंग टू, एज, ऑफ, aside from, because of, by means of, next to, on account of, out of, instead of, from behind, in between, in case of, on top of, regardless of. These are the examples of compound prepositions. Next is participle prepositions. Participle prepositions are present participles that ends with ing and the word thus functioning as a preposition. For example, concerning, considering, regarding, assuming. Later we'll see the examples of these prepositions. Prepositions, meaning and usage. Prepositions can convey a variety of meaning. Here it is important to know which preposition to use and in what sense. Depending on the usage, preposition can be classified as follows. Now we see prepositions of place. Prepositions of place are used to show the place where something is located. We have basically 3 prepositions of place which are as follow. At is used for a point. For example, at the end of the line, place को denote कर रहा है, at the entrance, at the exit, at the corner, at work, at home, at office, at college, at school, at the site. These are the examples that is used for place. In is used for a spaces, areas or places. In Haryana, in India, in the bedroom, in the shop, in my bag, in the building, in the book, newspaper, magazine, in the sky. On is used for surface. On the roof, on the sofa, on the bike, on the cover, on the bus, train, car, etc. On the radio, on the laptop, on the page, on the right, on the left, on the way. Some other prepositions are as follow. Across means from one side to another side. For example, she walked across the road. Under means a preposition that is below something. Example, the cat is under the table. Below the surface, the man lay under several feet of ice. Less than, example, it took us under an hour. To say who manages, runs, controls or governs somebody something. There are 20 laborers working under him. According to an agreement, law or system, under the new Domestic Violence Act, he was arrested. These are the examples. Experiencing a particular process. Example, the house is under renovation.